In this video, we will talk about the 20 best tools that will automate your entire e-commerce store. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, these 20 tools will level up your e-commerce game like never before. I've invested countless hours researching and testing various e-commerce tools, analyzing their features, user-friendliness, and impact on business growth to bring you this comprehensive guide. Most of the tools contain a free plan, which means that you don't need to spend anything to try them. Now you may be aware of some of these tools, but I still recommend you to stay till the end. The last 5 tools are the most important, so make sure not to miss them. Now let's start the video. First up, we have Shopify, the powerhouse platform for creating and managing your online store. With Shopify, you can easily set up your store, add products, customize your design, and start selling in no time. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, Shopify makes it simple to turn your e-commerce dreams into reality. Out of all the e-commerce software, Shopify is the easiest to use and effective. Shopify is currently providing a 90-day trial for just $1 per month, which is a great initiative for beginners. Next on our list is Canva, the ultimate tool for creating eye-catching graphics and banners for your e-commerce store. With Canva's easy-to-use interface and vast library of templates, you can design stunning visuals to showcase your products and promotions. Canva offers over 250,000 free templates and over 100 design types, making it easy for users to create professional-looking graphics without any design experience. Now you can say goodbye to boring banners and hello to dazzling designs with Canva. The third tool on our list is Omnisend, an email and SMS marketing tool. According to a study, email marketing has an average ROI of $42 for every dollar spent, making it one of the most cost-effective marketing channels for e-commerce businesses. With Omnisend, you can create personalized email campaigns, automate your messaging, and even send SMS notifications to your customers. This is one of the best email marketing tools for e-commerce. Omnisend also has a free plan, so you can get started right away. The fourth tool on our list is CopyA. With CopyA, you can generate engaging product descriptions, catchy email subject lines, and persuasive ad copy in seconds. It's like having a team of expert copywriters at your fingertips. This tool is far better than ChatGPT and other tools out there, and it also comes with a free plan. So, make sure to give it a try. Next up on our list is Stamped.io. Building trust with your customers is essential for e-commerce success, and Stamped.io makes it easy. Study shows that 92% of consumers read online reviews before making a purchase decision. With Stamped.io, you can collect and display customer reviews and ratings on your website. Showcasing customer reviews has never been easier, and with Stamped.io, you'll have happy customers singing your praises. You can even create a referral or loyalty program with this tool, which will eventually help you get more sales and conversions. Number 6 on our list is SeamRush. This powerful tool is your secret weapon for SEO and competitor research. With increase in competition, advertisement costs are getting new highs every year. With SeamRush, you can uncover valuable insights into your competitors' strategies, identify lucrative keywords, and optimize your website for maximum visibility. The best part? SeamRush has recently started to provide free accounts, which means even a newbie will have access to this awesome tool. Although the free plan has limitations, it's a good place to start. Number 7 on our list is Tidio, a tool that can automate your customer support part. As 64% of internet users prefer messaging over phone or email for customer service, providing top-notch customer support is key to keeping your customers happy and coming back for more. That's where Tidio comes in. With Tidio's live chat and chatbot features, you can engage with your customers in real time, answer their questions, and solve their problems with ease. Tidio offers AI chatbots, live chat support, and help desk to answer the FAQs of your customers. It will help you in lead generation and other tasks as well. The next tool on our list is Provely. Provely leverages a psychological trigger called the fear of missing out, or better known as FOMO. It provides 14 different types of social proof widgets that help you convert more visitors into customers. With Provely, you can display real-time social proof notifications on your website, showing off recent purchases, signups, and more. Adding social proof to your website can increase conversions by up to 15%. making tools like Provely a must-have for boosting sales and credibility. It's like having a virtual sales team working 24/7 to boost your conversions. Before talking about the next tool, do you know that a 1-second delay in website load time can lead to a 7% decrease in conversions? Most of the e-commerce stores spend hours on optimizing the keywords and reduce the extra lines of codes, but very few of them actually work on optimizing the images. That's where TinyPNG comes into play. This handy tool compresses your images without sacrificing quality, ensuring fast load times and smooth browsing for your customers. With TinyPNG, you can optimize your images effortlessly and keep your website running like a well-oiled machine. Number 10 on our list is AdCreative.ai. With AdCreative.ai, you can generate high-quality ad creatives in minutes, saving you time and money on expensive design agencies. Whether you're running Facebook ads, Google ads, or Instagram ads, AdCreative.ai has got you covered. This is a paid tool, and there is no free plan available, but you can get a 7-day free trial and try out this tool. Next on our list is Buffer. Buffer is your tool for managing social media channels efficiently. Study shows that 46% of online shoppers count social media when deciding whether to buy something online. So, having a strong social media presence is important. Buffer allows you to schedule posts, track performance, and engage with your audience across multiple platforms from one dashboard, saving you time and effort. Number 12 on our list is Referral Candy. With Referral Candy, you can create and manage your own affiliate program, incentivizing customers to refer their friends and family to your store. Customers acquired through referral programs have a 37% higher retention rate and a 16% higher lifetime value. It's a win-win for everyone. You get more customers, and your customers get rewarded for spreading the word. Next on our list is No Fraud. While running your e-commerce business, it's important to track fraudulent orders and secure your website. Online fraud costs businesses over $12 billion annually. With No Fraud's advanced fraud detection technology, you can identify and prevent fraudulent transactions before they happen. Next on our list is HotJar, a customer behavior analysis tool. Understanding how your customers interact with your website is key to optimizing your e-commerce strategy, and HotJar makes it easy. With HotJar's heat maps, session recordings, and user surveys, you can gain valuable insights into customer behavior and make data-driven decisions to improve your website performance. Number 15 on our list is Outgrow. This is a lead generation tool that will help you create quizzes, calculators, surveys, and much more. With Outgrow's interactive quizzes, calculators, and assessments, you can create engaging content that drives conversions and builds your email list. This is a paid tool, however. You can get a 7-day free trial using the link which is given in the video description. And if you are looking for a free alternative, you can use this tool. Number 16 on our list is Upfluence. This is an influencer marketing platform. Influencer marketing delivers 11 times higher ROI than traditional forms of digital marketing, making it a highly effective strategy for increasing brand awareness and sales. And with Upfluence's influencer discovery platform, you can find and connect with influencers in your niche, negotiate partnerships, and track campaign performance. Influencer marketing is the future. Sooner or later, you need to say goodbye to traditional advertising and hello to authentic influencer endorsements with Upfluence. Next on our list is QuickBooks. QuickBooks is your accounting software for e-commerce businesses. It helps you track sales, expenses, and taxes, manage invoices, and generate financial reports to keep your finances organized and compliant. As a business owner, managing accounts and finances is the biggest headache for me. With software like QuickBooks, you can manage everything at your fingertips. Number 18 on our list is EasyShip. EasyShip simplifies shipping and delivery for your e-commerce store. It offers a range of shipping options, calculates shipping costs, generates labels, and provides tracking information to ensure seamless fulfillment and customer satisfaction. With EasyShip's shipping platform, you can compare rates, print labels, and track shipments all in one place. Next on our list is Zapier. Zapier automates repetitive tasks and workflows for your e-commerce store by connecting different apps and platforms. It streamlines processes like order fulfillment, customer communication, and data synchronization, saving you time and improving efficiency. Automation can save businesses up to 9 weeks of work per year, allowing them to focus on growth and innovation rather than repetitive tasks. Last but not least, we have Notion on our list. Notion is your versatile workspace for managing projects, collaborating with team members, and organizing information. It allows you to create to-do lists, share documents, and track progress, keeping your e-commerce operations running smoothly. Teams that use collaborative tools like Notion report a 40% increase in productivity. With Notion's all-in-one workspace, you can collaborate with your team, organize tasks, and track progress in real time. These are the top 20 must-have tools for an e-commerce business. If you are a beginner, you may not need all these tools, but sooner or later, you'll need them for sure. For your convenience, we have inserted all these tools into a single page and leave a link in the video description. You can simply bookmark that link and come back to it whenever you need. Let me know how many of these tools you are currently using in your business, and I will see you in the next video.